Welcome back to Drawing Parlor Code, where imagination meets the tip of a pencil. Today we are bringing to life a graceful, flowing figure sketch, a minimalist yet expressive drawing that tells a silent story. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned artist, this simple pencil art will inspire your creativity. Let's begin with the foundation, a smooth, gentle curve to shape the figure's flowing dress. We are using a regular graphite pencil with light, feathery strokes to outline the body. Notice how the lines aren't perfect, and that's the beauty of hand drawn art. It's organic, it breathes, and every mask is part of the process. Now we move on to one of the most eye-catching elements, the hair. Flowing stand with varying pressure, creating texture and volume. Use your pencil tip slightly at first, then add depth by shading in layers. Don't rush this part. This is where the emotion really starts to emerge. Let's refine the dress and add slight folds to give it motion. A few strategic lines, simple yet powerful, suggest wind or movement. Look at how the curve of the back and slight tilt of the head add elegance. This isn't just a sketch, it's a pose frozen in time. Now we enhance contrast. Shade areas where light won't hit directly. Under the arms, near the waist, around the neck, soft gradients will make the figure pop. And final strokes to smooth out the flow and define the silhouette. The beauty here lies in restraint, knowing when to stop. And there you have it, a beautifully simple yet expressive figure sketch, done entirely with one pencil. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share it with someone who loves art, and don't forget to subscribe to Drawing Parlor Co for more timeless drawing ideas. Keep your pencil sharp and your imagination sharper. Thank you. Click on the bell icon on the right hand in order to get all of my videos.